Best and fastest gaming smartphones on the market in 2023. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 General 2 Society, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage. It has responsive shoulder triggers, RGB lights, and even a 20,000 RPM fan to keep things cool. If you're after the best performing devices that can effortlessly play any games you want, for however long you want, the Redmagic 8 Pro will have you covered. Specifications. Nubia provided us with the model of the Redmagic 8 Pro with 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 General 2 processor and the Red Core 2 chip. The latter processes the audio, controls the RGB lighting, and manages the haptic, all of which play a crucial role in enhancing the gaming experience and improving the smartphone. Display. 6.8 inches AMOLED display. 20:9 aspect ratio. 2480 x 1116 resolution. 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 960 Hz touch sampling rate. Gorilla Glass 5. The Redmagic 8 Pro has a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. There are plenty of color profiles, and the colors, in general, are accurate and deliver great saturation. I used the normal mode color gamut during my testing, which was pleasing and vibrant enough to my liking, although P3 and sRGB color gamuts are also optional in the settings. The slim bezels also make the device even more immersive. The brightness has also never been an issue, and the screen is plenty bright to enjoy outside, and dark enough to use in pitch black rooms. Nubia says that the screen can go up to 1300 nits of peak brightness, which is believable as the display got very bright using the automatic brightness option in direct sunlight. The viewing angles are also excellent. YouTube videos also look sharp and colorful. Overall, it's a stunning display for consuming media, playing games, movies, images, or ordinary apps. Cameras. The Redmagic 8 Pro has 3 cameras on the back. A 50 megapixels primary, an 8 megapixels ultrawide, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. There's also a 16 megapixels under-display front-facing shooter for capturing important moments. The wide-angle, macro, and front-facing sensors are the cameras that Nubia used last year, but the performance and quality are different. Battery life. 6000 mAh, 65W wired charging. It will take 43 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. The Redmagic 8 Pro received a notable upgrade from its predecessor, and that upgrade lies in the battery department. The new flagship houses a 6000 mAh battery, supporting 65W fast wired charging. With that much battery, you'd assume it could last for days on a single charge. Price, starting at $649. Release date, it is expected to come to the market on February 2, 2023.